Hello everyone, welcome to Brimitech. Let's learn about PayPal. PayPal is an American online financial service company allowing users to transfer money or pay for items using a secure internet account. PayPal was founded in December 1998 by Max Levchin and Peter Thiel. It was acquired by eBay Corporation in 2002. PayPal's corporate headquarters is in San Jose, California. PayPal is available in most countries and it is free to create an account. Payment is accepted in many different currencies, and you can set up an account for personal or for business use. The users can add bank account, credit card or debit card details to pay or receive money with PayPal. A user can set the default payment method. Besides paying for any product or service using PayPal, users can also receive money through PayPal. You can purchase with a PayPal account from any online or offline sellers. You will find the PayPal logo on their web page. As a PayPal member, you are able to 1. Transfer cash from your bank account to your PayPal account. 2. Cash advance from a credit card via PayPal. 3. Transfer money from one PayPal account to another. 4. Instantly transfer money from PayPal to your connected bank account. 5. Get an email of your PayPal account balance details. 6. Get a PayPal debit to make real global purchases from your PayPal account. How to set up a PayPal account? You can create a PayPal account from the PayPal website or the PayPal app. If you are on a computer, visit paypal.com on your web browser, or if you are on mobile devices, download and install the PayPal app. The account creation process is almost the same for both the website and the mobile app. How to pay with PayPal? When you want to pay online through PayPal, you will have to quickly log into your account. Once you finish confirming payment in your account, you'll automatically get redirected back to the merchant checkout page to complete the purchase. It is also very easy to pay money to other PayPal users. In your PayPal account, just click the Send button to process a payment. Benefits of using PayPal. Flexibility. It is flexible to pay or receive money, no matter whether the member is a small volume seller or big. They can quickly and easily accept payments that originate from buyers' credit or debit cards. Speed. PayPal transactions between sellers take just a few minutes, and depending on your bank, it can take 3 to 5 business days for your money from PayPal to get to your bank account. Affordability. PayPal charges 30 cents per transaction plus 3% of the total amount of the transaction. Safe for buying and selling. It is safe to rely on PayPal for processing customer payments. To solve any disputing transactions, PayPal has buyer guarantees and follow a specific process. Data security. PayPal's website is secure and encrypted. Acceptance online. PayPal is the most popular method of payment on many e-commerce websites. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Brimitech channel.